So around here in the Appalachian Mountains, southwest Virginia, and even a little bit close to us in the southern West Virginia in the backwoods, we have a delicacy here called, you want to know what it's called? It's called peppers and weenies. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is start with these 6 packs of weenies. You use whatever weenies you like. Some people use Little Smokies, some people use weenies. Just use whichever ones you like. I usually cut them into thirds if they're regular size weenies. So we're going to chop these up, put them in this bowl, and then I'll show you what to do next. Alright, so now that we have our wieners cut up, what we're going to do, we're going to get a big stock pot, and the first thing we're going to add is 64 ounces of ketchup. Now we're going to add 2 cups of sugar. Now 2 cups of white vinegar. 2 cups of vegetable oil. Last but not least, we're going to add in our 6 packs of wieners. Alright, so now that we got all our ingredients in here, we're going to put this on the stove, put it on medium heat, covered, and bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil and your wieners start to get a little swollen, they start cooking, you know, that's when we're going to add our peppers in. And then while this is coming to a boil, you go ahead and get your peppers cut up and ready. Alright, so while our wieners and sauce are coming to a boil over medium heat, now's a good time to slice up your peppers. You can make it as spicy as you like. Also, while you're waiting on that to come to a boil and you're cutting your peppers, go ahead and get your jars sanitized and your lids and rings ready to go. Sanitize your lids as well. Have everything ready to go, because once this cooks, you're going to have it ready to put in jars. Alright, so you're going to bring these to a boil and you're going to boil them until your wieners start to get a little bit fat, you know, because they're going to cook a little bit in the water bath. Alright, so we've got all our onions and peppers chopped up. Like I said, there's habanero, jalapeno, hot banana peppers, sweet banana peppers, bell peppers, some onions. It's a good mix. We like ours hot. Make yours how you like it. So now we're going to add all our peppers and onions, just right in there on top. Just like that. Now we're just going to mix these around, guys, and you're just going to bring that sauce over top and keep mixing, and you're going to let these peppers and onions cook down, not till they're all the way done, but just till they start getting soft. I'll show you what it should look like before you put it in a jar. Alright, so as you can see, our wieners are plump and the peppers are getting soft and the onions are getting soft. So now it's time to put it in the jar, and we're going to water bath these in pints for 15 minutes. Always remember, hot liquid, hot jars, hot canning water. You're just going to put your peppers and weenies in there, leaving about an inch head space. Alright, so now you're going to wipe your edge off really good. Remember to wear a glove because these jars are hot. Now we're going to put a sanitized lid on and a ring. Alright guys, so I ended up with 14 pints. I forgot to get a picture of them before they went into the canner. Here's one. It's hot water in there, so I'm not going to hold it up long. But anyway, hot water in your canner, because you got hot liquid in your jars. We're going to water bath these for 15 minutes, and then you'll get a good look at them when they're done. We'll be right back after they water bath. Alright guys, so now we're going to get our jars out of the canner after our 15-minute water bath.